So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Caterpillar stock, ticker symbol CAT in Canada here on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, simply go to the bottom bar right here and press on the magnifying glass. Then go to the search bar at the top and type in ticker symbol CAT. Now, a bunch of different options here, but what we want is Caterpillar Inc. So the second option, press on that. Now to buy shares of Caterpillar, I go to the bottom and press on buy. And now type in the amount that you want, but also too, if you wanted to change from a fractional buy into another buy, type in fractional or press fractional buy at the top. Then you can select market buy, limit buy, stop limit buy, or recurring buy, whatever you want. But just type in the amount that you want to invest into Caterpillar. So I'll just do $1 right here for a demonstration. Just a little disclaimer, this is in American dollars, so USD, not CAD, so there will be a conversion afterwards. Just keep that in mind. But regardless though, press on continue at the bottom. Now to confirm your order, just press a confirm order at the bottom, but as you can tell at the top, it actually shows the estimated cost of $1.36 with the 1.5% fee, as well as the estimated exchange rate included. So once that is done, press a confirm order, and there you go. That is how to buy Caterpillar stock, ticker symbol CAT in Canada here on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helps.